अरे मैड को देख के लगता है सब बॉयफ्रेंड चलो भाई बुला लो
अभी आया नहीं है।
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, excitement वापस से out of the roof. कुछ इस तरह से कि रूफ ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. Thank you so much for being here, ladies and gentlemen, as we are all set to present the grand trailer of Deva. Are we all excited? मैंने सुना people were dying to perform here. कहाँ हैं वो लोग? ये पीछे वाले नहीं. We've got some experts to do the honors, ladies and gentlemen. We've all seen the teaser. We've all loved the teaser. And here, भसड़ मचाने के लिए, we are all set, aren't we? We are, right? So देखो भैया हमारे सुपरस्टार्स यहाँ पे हैं और ऐसा सीधा साधा सा वेलकम तो होगा नहीं. We want to bring this house down. So it's time to welcome, ladies and gentlemen, on stage the ever so versatile Shahid Kapoor and the ever so gorgeous Pooja Hegde. Come on, we gotta make some noise.
Oh मैडम पीछे मैडम. अरे ओ मैडम.
It's time for a dhamakedar performance. Gotta see your hands up in the air. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Shahid Kapoor and Pooja Hegde. That's how we do it. You guys are fantabulous and this amazing, amazing group, ladies and gentlemen. इसे कहते हैं देवा का आगमन. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
ए हट जाओ हट जाओ.
Oh ho ho ho.
अच्छा भाई थोड़ा.
Oh ho ho. Of course, it's time for a big picture with this entire team here. You guys are fabulous, यार. लग रहा था सबके अंदर देवा आ गया है. And let me tell you, this is just the शुरुआत. ये तो शुरुआत है. ये असली ट्रेलर की बात तो बाकी है दोस्तों.
अरे हो गया उतर.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shahid, before I come up and talk to the both of you, a quick picture for our wonderful friends here. We good? Yeah, thank you so much. Well, that's how we do it. Shahid, thank you so much for being here. Pooja, you looking as gorgeous as ever. All I want to say is, हम कह रहे थे कि excitement is out of the roof. Yeah, roof ही नहीं है. Shahid, before we play the trailer for all of them, what do you have to say?
First of all, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Love you guys for your support and your love always. Dikha is a film for all of you. We've made it from our heart. It's got all my intensity and her beauty. Hopefully that'll be a really kick-ass combination. And thank you to the media for being here. Thank you guys. I know it's very hot outside. Thank you for waiting out here for us. We'll move into a slightly more comfortable space upstairs and share actually what we're here for. The trailer of our film Deva that's out on the 31st of January. We're all very, very, very excited, and I can't wait to be with the director of the film, Roshan Andrews, and the producer of the film, Sid Roy, and of course Z and the entire team of Z that is here to support us today. This is The Labor of Love, and now I'll pass the mic to the lady in red, looking stunning, Pooja Hegde.
I think this is the best crowd ever. Like, I mean, this energy in the morning is just making me feel really good. I'm very excited for you guys to see the trailer because I think it's like the perfect thriller, and you guys are really gonna like it. And at the same time, like Shahid said, I'd like to say a counter to that. I think it has all the strength of Diya, and it also has the handsomeness of Shahid. So excited for you guys to see the film and excited for the trailer. I hope you guys like it.
Thank you so much. Yeah, she said it, the best crowd ever. You guys have to make some more noise. That's how we do it. So we'll quickly move upstairs. Thank you so much, Shahid. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you upstairs, right?
चलो बस हो गया है
गाइस अंदर चलो ना यार, अंदर चलो, अंदर हो गया, चलो 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 अंदर चलो।
All eyes on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do it. So please, help पर आइए। मैं देख रहा था सर, the visionary, the most amazing, Roshan sir. So a lot of people were talking to you outside. They were like थोड़ा ऐसे, इनको गुस्सा नहीं दिलाना है. इनके अंदर देवा आ गया तो क्या होगा? So please, एक तो आप center stage लीजिए. Talk to us about Deva, so first things first. I knew it. I was about to ask that. She just told us it's your autobiography, sir.
Good evening, all. See, I'm a movie buff. I still am learning cinema. Whatever I learn, I upgrade myself. I implement, and Deva is that. And for Deva, I can't talk much because it's a thriller cinema. It's a reason on 21st January. It's my love to my brother Shahid Kapoor. I can promise one thing. A lot of people come and promise a lot of things I have seen. But this promise is from my heart. I can promise this will be another Shahid Kapoor for sure. Thank you.
He said it with all the intensity in his eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, talking about heart, and the heart of this film is this creative powerhouse, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most exceptional producers, और इससे पहले भी जब उन्होंने फिल्में दी हैं वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे वर्ल्ड वाइड छा गई हैं. एंड इससे पहले शाहिद कपूर के साथ हैदर, कमीने देने के बाद he is all set to rule the box office with Deva. Give it up for Siddharth Rock Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. Sir, एक चीज तो है, of course, whatever we've seen on the big screen from Roy Kapoor films, it has always been different. बहुत हटके होता है. This time ये एकदम mass मसाला कुछ लाए. Shahid Kapoor like never before. आपकी personality के साथ सर नहीं जाता. Like Deva is like completely opposite to yours is what I feel. Talk to us about it.
I'm glad you
feel that way, which means I'm a good actor myself. But I think this is truly the brainchild of the man on my left. It's his vision completely, and we've all worked in service of his vision. From the time that we met, probably 8 years ago, he just reminded me. It's been quite a journey. On that journey and along the way, there have been so many people who've come on board, from writers to HODs who helped us to realize this vision. And it was when Shahid loved the story and came on board that the film actually came together. But I think it's been an incredible creative experience for all of us, the whole production team. Roshan has seen Bombay through eyes that none of us who've lived and grown up in the city have seen it from. So that's incredible. He's presented the city as almost another character. And the film, I think, is going to work pretty much everywhere where we can reach out to audiences. So our colleagues at Zee, who've supported us from the start, intend to take it far and wide. And we're looking forward to the 31st of Jan.
Lovely. Thank you so much, sir. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Of course, he talked about Zee Studios, and we must acknowledge the vision and support of this remarkable leader who's here with us, Mr. Umesh Kumar Bansal, CBO Zee Studios and Zee Music. And all I want to say is they've had a brilliant 2024 और 25 की शुरुआत भी जोरदार हुई है. With Deva, I'm sure, sir, कई नए records टूटने और बनने वाले हैं. What do you have to say on this journey, sir?
We've got brilliant speakers here with us. We've got star power. Our job is limited to taking this to the screens and ensuring that audiences have the access to it. So what we are working on is getting more footfalls, and this is the high point for our lineup in this year. The biggest one for us, and I hope everyone enjoys. We are looking forward to all your love, all your support. I'm very sure you will enjoy because we enjoy it thoroughly.
Under your leadership, I'm sure, sir, Zee Studios is going to rock. जैसा पिछले साल था, ये उससे भी ज़्यादा बेहतर होने वाला है. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for being here. Now it's time to invite this brilliant actor, ladies and gentlemen, digital या फिर films. जब भी इनको देखते हैं, हमें पता है यार content दमदार होगा. Give it up for Pavel Gulati, ladies and gentlemen. There he comes. Welcome. And सुनने देख के मैं कह रहा हूँ गुलाटी साहब कैसे हैं आप? पूरी सबसे बनानी पड़ेगी यहाँ पे. Talk to us about that particular scene, and in fact the entire thing that we saw on that big screen. As I said, each and every scene is a master class in filmmaking.
It's all because our school teacher, our class with him. And honestly, this is मेरी अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी picture है. And it's because of Siddharth sir, Roshan sir, Shahid and Pooja. And I'm really excited. I was damn excited to be part of this film, and thank you for having me in this film. And the intensity in not just in this scene, it's in every scene in the film, and it's Shahid and Roshan sir's vision, which is fantastic by the way.
Talking about intensity, dance में इतनी intensity और ऐसी खतरनाक वाली कौन डाल सकता है यार?
Only Shahid, and we've been talking about it for the longest time. Ki Shahid, when you're dancing, and we were talking about it in the vanity cam, when you're going to dance, and I think you've seen it in Bhasad Machai. It's fantastic.
क्या भसड़ मचाई है, क्या भसड़ मचाई है पूरी टीम ने. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. One more time, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time to invite on stage someone who's a true queen of crossover. South India, North India, West, East, किधर भी चले जाओ, हर एक लैंग्वेज में इन्होंने कमाल किया है. She is supremely talented and the most gorgeous. Pooja Hegde. Welcome, Pooja. Thank you so much for being here. All right. तुमने बाकियों को पॉइंट दिया था क्या यहाँ पे? Anyway, Pooja, thank you so much for being here. And whatever we've seen.
My film. Yeah.
Of course.
Thank
Give it up
you
for her.
being here, though.
Of course. Thank you, Rama.
Sorry, I'm in PR character.
I
right
know.
now, so.
I know. Talking about that,
Yeah.
you're playing a journalist, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे journalist बहुत भसड़ मचाते हैं. What do you have to say on that?
I have to say that I have really this explored this newfound respect for journalists, because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So yeah, I think Dia is the perfect like tucker to Dave's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind, she's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that, you know, he's being questioned about, which is, the line which he's saying that police ya mafia is written by Dia because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Dia. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
Softer side is so kadak. तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I know तुम लोग करने नहीं दोगे मेरे को intro ये वाला, लेकिन मैं करूँगा. All right, it's an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to now invite on stage this Bollywood superstar who's mesmerized the audiences for the last 2 decades. एक performance फिर चाहे charming hero वाली हो, romantic hero वाली हो, intensity या dramatic वाली हो, this man has killed it every single time. And इसीलिए सिर्फ हमारे देश का नहीं, हर किसी का सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट सुपरस्टार ही is. Give it up for Shahid Kapoor. Shahid and the powerhouse Shahid Kapoor. आला रे आला, देवा आला. And क्या energy लेके आया है. शायद it's a full house. It's like already, you know, सब कुछ houseful हो चुका है. And they all are here to meet you, and of course the entire team. क्या बोलेंगे after we've seen the trailer?
Well, this is 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film, to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because we will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions, and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I am capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊँगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया, और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all. और इस फिल्म में मैंने जो भी किया है, that is only because of Roshan. So, there's some experience.
So just one last thing. We do a quick picture and then of course we take the questions. लेकिन उससे पहले, talk to us about that intensity, because anyone and everyone who's seen the teaser, या फिर चाहे वो गाना भी, usually we see a song and we know you're a brilliant dancer. लेकिन how did you get that intensity? Talk to us about that. क्या preparation चलती थी? What was going on यहाँ पे?
Actually, as an actor, आप हमेशा wait करते हो कि आपको कुछ next level पर ले जाने के लिए कैसे मौका मिले. You know, ऐसा आसान नहीं होता है. मैं तो जाके कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जो फिल्म की कहानी है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो वर्ल्ड है, उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैं वो ही कर सकता हूँ. और उससे ज़्यादा करूँगा तो ख़राब कर दूँगा. होपफुली उससे कम तो नहीं करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं है मेरा नेचर. लेकिन इस फिल्म ने मुझे फिर से बहुत वक्त बाद ऐसा मौका दिया कि एज एन एक्टर मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ. लेकिन there is also a lot of presence and aura of this character. So you know there is also an overwhelming personality जो देवा की है, which gives him that charisma and that star quality. So it needed to be a combination of both those elements. And आप फिल्म देखो यार, मतलब बोलने का क्या फायदा है. हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया है. You know, आप लोग देखो. Tell us what you feel. We've given it everything we have.
But I have to say he's done it outstandingly well. When I watched the trailer, I called him and I spoke to him and I was like, how have you done it? Like, I can literally count the veins on your forehead and your face, like how? And even the first half, you know, when he's like giving his lines when I thought it was dubbed and he's like, no, that's from the scene, but it was so eerie and like I think you're definitely gonna see a new Shahid because I feel like you've seen him do the other characters that he's done in his other films, but this is so restrained and intense and it's just amazing.
It's because Pooja, I am.
See, I have a lot of questions, but before that, we'll do a quick picture with this team, right? So we'll do that and then we'll take your questions.
ये वो जरा साइड कर दो ना
था